Dear viewers and students, Assalamu alaikum. Professor Irfan Rashid. I would like to uh, talk about forthcoming Shanghai Conference to be held in Pakistan next month in October 2024. Dear students and viewers, as you already know, the importance of this conference which is being held here, it is our pride that Pakistan is hosting this conference. The Russian Vice Foreign Minister is visiting Pakistan in this regard. In this regard, the Prime Minister and President of China will also visit Pakistan and other member countries and leaders. The importance of this conference also analyzes Gaza war, Ukraine war, and the situation in Indian occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir, and some other issues being faced by member countries and the regional countries. May friendship of China and Pakistan flourish in centuries for the benefit of both the countries, for the benefit of all peace-loving countries. We were with China when it was upholding its vital aims. We shall be with you in the days of joy and in the days of trial. Our relations with China can never be darkened or suppressed by any war or conflict arising by so-called superpower rivalries. It is sorry to say that when Warsaw Pact was finished, only NATO came into existence and it utilized the weaknesses of developing countries and mostly Islamic countries. In the Middle East, Israel has occupied many of territories of Palestine and other Arab countries. Desecration of Al-Aqsa Mosque, Judaization of Arab lands must be denounced as foreboding utter disaster. Ukraine war is being pushed by American outgoing President Joe Biden. It is very sorry to say that the wars are being waged and promoted by NATO, American leadership, whereas it is great need that peace must be established throughout the globe. The harmony and the leaders must be polite of the developing countries and NATO, the member of NATO's. Joe Biden is enjoying genocide of Palestinian Muslims. Why? They are not human beings. Are the people of Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir are not human beings? The Section 370 imposed by Narendra Modi there has totally exploited the freedom of Indian, freedom-loving, peaceful people. Let the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Palestine enjoy peace. It is great need that Shanghai Conference under leadership of Russian and Chinese leaders should resolve the issues being faced by Pakistan, Palestine, other Muslim countries, and other developing countries. The Chinese and Russian leadership is well known of it that why the NATO is exploiting the economic, social, political, geographical values of the developing countries, mostly Muslim countries. NATO is imposing unilateral policies amongst Muslim countries. It is totally negative attitude. Shanghai Conference must be based on the facts that the Muslim countries like Pakistan, Egypt, Iran, and Bangladesh and other countries should be given their economic, geographical, social, political values and rights by their under their leadership, under the leadership of Russia, China, and other member countries, because they are left alone after the Warsaw Pact. The imbalance of international balance of power has worsened many values amongst these countries. We hope that the forthcoming Shanghai Conference will resolve all such issues which are being faced mostly by Muslim countries. So nice of you. Thank you.